In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal two-step verification. Two-step verification, sometimes called two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account. Instead of just using your password, you'll also need a code from your phone. This makes it much harder for anyone else to log in, even if they somehow get your password. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual details and wait for your main account summary page to load. You should see your balance and recent activity here. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page for the small gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click that. It will open your account settings area where you can control things like your profile, payments, and security. Once you're in settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. Find the one labeled security and click on it. This is where PayPal keeps all the options related to protecting your account, like passwords, security questions, and of course, two-step verification. On the security page, look for the section that mentions two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Next to it, you should see a button or link that says Set Up. Click on Set Up to start the process. If you already have something enabled, you might see options to manage or change it, but you can still follow along from here. PayPal will now ask how you want to receive your codes. In this guide, we're going to use an authenticator app, which is generally more secure and works even if you don't have mobile signal. Choose the option that says Use an authenticator app and click on it. You'll now see a QR code on your screen. Open your preferred authenticator app on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or another similar app. In the app, add a new account and choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your PayPal screen until it's recognized. Once it's added, your Authenticator app will start generating 6-digit codes for your PayPal account. Look at the current code in the app, then go back to PayPal in your browser. Click into the field provided and type in that 6-digit code carefully. Remember, these codes change every 30 seconds or so make sure you're using the most recent one. After you've entered the code, click on the Confirm button. PayPal will verify that the code matches your Authenticator app. If everything is correct, your two-step verification will be activated. From now on, each time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then a code from your Authenticator app. This simple extra step can significantly increase the security of your PayPal account.